So when we talk about our machinists, when we talk about our engineers, when we talk about our supply chain people, we talk about being entrepreneurs in industrial contexts, and we believe that over the next 15 or 20 years that the manufacturing industry is going to go through a significant transformation, and we want to play a large part in making that happen. How are we going to make this happen? We're on mission to revitalize American manufacturing through entrepreneurship. How are we doing these things? Our goal, our vision, our dream is to hire, inspire, and to train and develop the next generation workforce in manufacturing. Since 2009, we've hired over 25 graduates from Hudson Valley Community College under the age of 21 years old. We've invested in their well-being and their training, their development, their leadership capabilities. We're trying to bring the next generation workforce. When I speak at high schools, at colleges, everyone wants to be a Wall Street broker. Everyone wants to be a computer programmer. We're trying to envision and give them passion and inspiration to say you can be in manufacturing and you can be hyper-entrepreneurial.